Today, I am going to teach you how to solve the world's hardest Rubik's Cube, one by one. First, let's scramble the cube with white face at the top and green facing you. If you want to follow along, then use this scramble. R, U, L prime, R2, D, F prime, U, and L. Alright, get your timer and do a 15-second inspection. And when you're ready, hold the timer with the palm of your hands. Now the cube is already solved, so all we need to do is to start the timer, touch the cube with both hands, not this or this, and stop the timer as fast as you can. And there you go. Now try to do an average of 5 solves and see how fast you can go. Oh, and let me know your times below.